I'm Nina, and this is the 6th part of my how to draw like Disney tutorials. And today we will be drawing hair and ears like Disney. Like this video if you think it's cool, subscribe to my channel and press the bell, and let's start the tutorial. For this tutorial, I'm going to use a graphite pencil, an eraser, and maybe in the end I will use a black pencil to define the lines better. Before we start, I want to remind you that this tutorial is not the last and not the first in the entire series of tutorials, and we've already learned how to draw the eyes, nose, mouth, basically all the facial features, and in the future we're going to color it, we're going to draw a male character, and we're going to turn yourself or your friends into the characters as if they were from the Disney universe. Okay, so what comes to the ears? If you look at yourself in the mirror, you'll see that your ears are probably as long as the distance between the eyebrows and the nose. But we're not drawing realistic characters, so what comes to Disney-like characters, all of their facial features are kinda cute, you know? It means that you can't draw them huge, right? So I'm suggesting you to draw them as long as the distance between the tip of the nose and the upper lid. And what comes to the inside area of the ears, it's very simple too. You should draw like 2 curves like I did on the ears, and that must be it. Now hair. There are tons of different hairstyles and you can choose any of them. And I chose the one that I actually wear myself, so this is what I'm going to draw. So no matter what kind of hairstyle you're going to choose, there will be a couple of common features that are the most important, and we're going to talk about them. First of all, I forgot to tell you that the hairline is approximately 1/5 of the circle. So first I parted the hair on the side. Right after, I drew some kind of a triangle on the hairline and I leaded the line down. So what I noticed when I was drawing in this style is that the hair are angular and they're structured, so this is what we're going to keep in mind when we're going to continue drawing. Now I'm going to draw the right side of the hair, and I'm also giving it like angular shape, but not this tall, because I'm going to tuck a lock of hair behind the ear. Right now I'm going to draw the outlines of the hair, and notice that those outlines are not following the shape of the ball because there is some volume and some air between the skull and the hair. And when I was saying air, it was a figurative expression, okay? So now I drew 2 lines that were going from the behind of the ear, and therefore we have a feeling that this lock of the hair is tucked behind the ear. And right now let's work with the left part of the hair. Even here you can see that I'm using straight lines. I'm trying to give it a little bit more angular form because this is how it is, this is what I noticed, I think this is how it should be. So we gave this shape to the hair, and right now we're going to structure it a little bit. I think it's time to take off these ears and to tell you that your like and comment will really help my channel to grow, so please do it if you want to support me. So let's draw some locks now, and it will also give the hair some direction. Don't draw all of them all the same size, make some of them thinner and others thicker. By the way, If you check my Instagram, you'll see that I actually turned my niece and nephew into Disney characters. And as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, later I'll make a tutorial about how to turn yourself and your friends into Disney characters, so stay tuned. So now I'm going to make the outlines darker, and let's move to the side and 3/4 views. You might remember these heads from the previous tutorial when we were learning how to draw the head, and I'm going to use it for the hair tutorial too. So the hair were parted on the side and I'm showing it on this drawing too. Now I'm going to draw 2 front locks. One of them is not going to be super visible because it's a side view, and the other one is going to be tucked behind the ear. Just like in the previous view, I'm giving it some structure. I'm making sure that there is some space between the circle and the hair outlines, and of course I'm keeping in mind that the shape kinda needs to be a little angular. A 3/4 view is something between the side view and the front view. And I'm again starting with parting the hair. Then I'm drawing 2 front locks. The one that's on the left is supposed to cover the face partly, because the other one is tucked behind the ear. I'm giving the hair some structure, keeping in mind that the shape is a tiny bit angular. And that's it. I hope you guys think it's easy, because I honestly think it is. You just need to practice a couple of times and you have literally no problems with drawing hair. This is the end of my tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed watching it, and thank you so much for watching till the end. Your like and comment will help my channel to grow, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye!